Alright, I think we're live. Alright. Let's hope the stream holds up this time. I got my bit rate over here. I'm monitoring it. At some point I gotta figure out what's going on with my network, but hopefully this will be good. What's up, everybody? It's been some time. About a week, maybe. And how's it going? Haven't seen you guys for a little bit of time, and maybe I'm seeing you for the first time. At any rate, for those of you who don't know, my name is Adam. This channel is called Coding Things IRL because that is what I do, and that is what we're going to do today. And speaking of that, we haven't had any streams for a while. That's my bad. We are streaming right now, but I think the bitrate is pretty low, so there's going to be a pretty long delay. Pardon the delay. We'll see about bumping that up if we have less frame drop than, I don't know. It should be 0 ideally, but my internet sucks. What are you gonna do? Look at how to deal with that. So yeah, as the title suggests, we're going to be taking our BritePegs game and we're going to be using React to refactor. And we attempted this on a previous stream, full disclosure. Did not go well. It did not go well. But I was looking through what I did, and I think I know exactly what went wrong. And for starters, I tried to do everything on a live stream, on a mobile live stream, that is. And I just don't think that was the right factor. Just seemed like I don't know. It seemed like I couldn't get everything in the browser window that I had pinned to the mobile layout. So, I mean, that's not the entire reason why we failed. We'll go over it in a second, but if you're new here, please subscribe. We need some more subscribers. We lost 2 subscribers. I'm devastated. And for those of you who are still around, I appreciate you. And let's continue. Let's code some stuff. And so, it looks like I lost my heart that I made. I made a heart. And I kind of want to make it again. But I may not be able to because my app may be in a broken state. Let me just show you around first. Okay. So since we last saw each other, I added a app directory to house the React app. No longer will the 3.js modules just be in the public directory. Now they'll be in the app directory. On top of that, there is a source folder, and there's a public folder, and there's node modules. And what you see here is actually a full React app, kind of hodgepodged together. And I don't think this is recommended, but I did it anyway. Stop that. We took the index.html from the BritePegs app and added it as the index.html for the React app. So that's the way that we're going to be integrating. And then on top of that, some ill-advised get element by IDs, and yeah, I mean, kind of just Frankenstein this thing together. I think that there's probably a million different ways I'd do this again if I did it again. And number one way, I'd probably use PHP. It would be so much quicker. But you know what? It's about learning experiences. Sometimes it's not about just doing the quickest thing. Sometimes it's about doing the right thing in the spirit of learning something new and creating a challenge and doing something that's actually challenging. Alright, you guys. So, YouTube is recommending me raise the bit rate, so I will do as they say. We currently have a dropped percentage of less than 3%, so that's good. I think our connection is looking good. Goody goody. So let me bump up that bit rate. Output. So they recommend 6.8. I'm gonna go 4. And I'm gonna go 6.8. Not 68,000, 6,800. Apply and go. Alright, we'll see what kind of performance. Oh, yep, drop frames. Oh, yep. Drop frames again. Yeah. Yep, drop frames all over the damn place. That's terrible. Here, let's fix that. Alright, that's obviously not gonna work. I gotta cut that in half. Dang, network is so bad. Alright, let's try that one out. It doesn't look like it even wants to go much higher than 3K, but I'm gonna let it try. Maybe it'll catch up. There we go. Let it do its little catch-up game. I think it'll do catch-up pretty good. Not sure. Don't know. I'm hoping so. Keep this over here. This side. I mean, it's watchable. It's watchable, like the same way that a toaster is watchable. Alright, guys. So, now that this is a React app, we have to run npm install. I'm pretty sure I already did that, but I'll go ahead and do it again, since we can do it as many times as we want. I think. I think we can do it as many times as we want. Man, that frame rate is terrible. I think I gotta lower it even lower. I don't know. Just gonna guess. 3K. 3K doesn't seem like a lot. But I'm at 15 frames per second here, so should be enough, right? 3K. After a little bit of catch up. We'll see, right? Hopefully. That network stuff figured out. There we go. I think we're healthy again. Healthy with a healthy buffer. Man, if I could adjust the buffer, that'd be sweet. Just buffer the hell out of it. Let me see. Let's see. Best encoder preset for unsteady connection. Alright, hold on, let me see if I can set that. It might be my problem. Try that. So I think that works better. Oh no, there it is. It dropped for a second. I'm just going to keep it that way for a little bit. I'm trying to bump up the FPS. Alright, I'm back. Hopefully that'll work with the FPS. Let's check it out. I mean, yeah, it looks okay. Oh, is it really only in 360? That's not gonna work. Hold on. It's not gonna work in 360. No, it's not in 360. That's fine. Why do I only have that option? It's weird. Oh well. Hey, what's up? Hey, Mushroom Cow. Yeah, I'm trying to get these network issues sorted out. I think we're good here. Streams bitrate. Try to raise that up. Trying to get that sweet spot. I might be able to raise it now that I changed the encoder settings. Try that out. It's dropping. Ooh. Looks like it's not doing too well. I think it wants to be right around 3.6 or 4. Probably 4. I'll try 4. Yeah. I think that's going to be it. No way that's right. I think it keeps cutting out. I mean, the network that I'm getting is really terrible. It is really bad. I'm gonna have to watch this and see what's up. There's no way that's right. It is really bad. I'm gonna have to watch this and see what's up. There's no way that's right. It is really bad. I'm gonna have to watch this and see what's up. Maybe it just doesn't need that much. It seems like it's doing fine. The stream looks fine. Hold on. Let me try to bump that up then. Oh, I set it to 400. Well, no wonder. No wonder. Yeah, let's try that now. 4,000. Hopefully it'll be a little bit more steady. Let's try to watch that. It was steady at a lower kbps. It was steadier. Just like probably a huge steady. Let's try to watch that. It was steady at a lower kbps. All right, it looks fine. All right, I'm gonna move on. Guys. All right. So here we are refactoring. So I created a script inside the package JSON, which is here. And you see the script is called start. Let me make that a little bit bigger. Go away. Go away. And you see we have cd app and run npm build. npm run build, excuse me. Then we have cd ... slash and node index.js. So what it does is it changes into the app directory, builds the React app, and then it cds back into the current directory and it nodes index.js. Okay, and that's just for the sake of running it right here. In production, we have to use PM2. Use a PM2 instance. All right, so let's check out the index.js and see what that looks like. All right, so that's just a little bit different now. Not by very much. Changed all the routes to /API because it makes more sense. All that's the same. And then the only difference is the index.html file that we're serving is in the file location app/build. So this is going to be our public directory. It's important for when we do this in the Apache environment. I don't know exactly. I guess I could try to use XAMPP to simulate this, but it's fine. I think I don't think we have very many users, so I don't think we have to worry about taking down the site for a little bit. We can revert it pretty easily because I made a secondary branch for this React refactor. So we'll have a nice little rope, a little escape rope. We'll just flip over to main, pull down the changes, and then rerun the PM2 instance. And we'll also have to revert the Apache configuration as well, but we will leave ourselves enough escape rope not to hang ourselves with. Okay. So. Let's see exactly what we're gonna do here. All right. Well, best bet is gonna be I already installed everything. I can go ahead and try to run the start script. So I'm in app, so I'm gonna go back one to the main directory, and then I will run npm run start. It's currently building the React app. Okay, that's done, and now it's running on localhost 3000. So let's go ahead and see if we get a an app here. So we see this alert message, which is something I put on the website because I wasn't able to make it work quickly enough. And you see the app here behind us running a little bit slower, but that's probably just my computer. And then we see this share button, and when we click on it, we have Twitter and Facebook and all that stuff. And if I just click on this, X, Twitter, whatever, we have this link, which should be the share link. So the main idea behind this whole React refactor is to make the sharing seamless through whatever platform. And so that's React. That's the React side of this. There's a React component library that I'm using called React Share, and that gives us the ability to spit out all these buttons. I don't even know what most of them are, to be honest, but yeah, there's like Reddit, Pinterest, and I think that's the Facebook Messages app, WhatsApp, LinkedIn. Yeah, I just asked ChatGPT to give me all the juicy ones. Nice close button, and you saw I plugged that I plugged the link in, and it worked. So this is, as far as I'm concerned, good to go. As it was, this is how I left it. This is how I left it the other day. So once I tried to put it live, it didn't work immediately, and I'll be honest, I kind of panicked a little bit, and I just kind of reverted everything because I was in a hurry. I was trying to get out the door. I think I was supposed to be somewhere with my family, and that's kind of why you should try to, if you don't have enough escape rope, you should at least have an indefinite amount of time when you're doing anything to your live server. So that was my bad practice, and yeah, not to say I won't do it again. Anyway, we're about to do it again. Spoiler alert. Spoiler alert. So here we have our React refactor. And I'm not even going to... I'm just going to check this out. Yeah, I'll have to do this another time. I think I have to... Oh no, we're good to go. Okay. Yeah, I have to remember to pay EC2 different paid services, recurring billing. that I have and then changing to my new card, and it's just a big old pain in the butt. Alright. I think we're safe to bring this over here so that you guys can see it. If you haven't seen this before, this is the EC2. I think I'm on, yeah, Ubuntu. And this is my instance that I have the game running on. So I go cd britepegs.com, and then we can just look in here and see what we have. So we have the Bright Light full stack, which I'm pretty sure at this point is an empty directory. If we do ls-a, we see all the hidden files as well. Those that begin with a dot are hidden. So .env and .git. The .git is a directory, and it contains our Git configuration, and it's you know, it's how Git knows what the current state of your repository is in this directory. So here, let's do git status, and you see these files have been changed, which is no bueno for us right now, because we need to make sure that we can pull the changes that we have with no conflicts. So let's try git add all git stash. Okay, now we'll do git status. Okay, now we have everything clean, so this is what we want. This is good. Now we'll do git pull. Alright, so this is the branch that we want right here. Origin back to React. So as quickly as we can, let's go ahead and git checkout and put in a -f just in case, because we want to get rid of anything that's straggling that we might not be able to see right away. Origin back to React. Alright, so now we're on post React is where the head is, so we should be good to pull. Git pull. Yeah, git pull for this one. Oh, it says I don't have rights. Oops. Well, I guess I could merge this into main. I mean, I'm pretty sure. But I should be able to do this. There we go. Okay, yeah, now I have it checked out. Let me go ahead and do PM2. Actually, let's go ahead and do ls-a again. Make sure we still have our .env file. We do. It wasn't overwritten or anything. That happens sometimes, but I guess not in that operation, which is good. But so we have our files here. Let's go ahead and run npm install here. Shouldn't take too much longer there. Yeah, there we go. And then let's go into our React app, the app directory, and also run npm install. This one might take a little bit longer. Because of the wonderful React dependencies. You're gonna love the React dependencies, guys. Right, guys. I got nobody viewing. I'm gonna blame the network issues. Alright, looks like the React app is still reacting. Or rather, maybe it's not reacting. Okay, here we go. It's doing its thing. So on this terminal, we won't be able to get to run our start script, which I guess I should call it dev at that point. I'm wondering if I could do another command for PM2 if I have it stuck on node, but I could change it to the run start, npm run start. All right, now come on. Taken a little longer than I even thought. I said it was going to take a long time. I didn't think it was going to be this long. So I guess I'll go ahead and open up another terminal here too, because I will need this open in 2 locations. I hope we'll be able to do this. Maybe start from a further out position. Constellation of BritePegs. I guess it's just being very slow right now. Maybe EC2 in general, or maybe just a single threaded instance. I'm not sure. Yeah, that's nothing. Yeah, it's still ticking. Okay, we'll give it that. Man, this stinks. All right, finally. Jeez. Whew. Okay. All right, so now we'll just go ahead and run npm run build, I think. Yeah, I'll just do it. Okay, and so this is building the React app. Okay, now the React app is built. So get out of the React app directory, and we will run pm2 restart index is the name of the job. All right, for completion's sake, let's run pm2 logs. And at the bottom there, you can see that we're connected to MongoDB. I think here, hold on a second. Is this something to worry about? I don't think so. Now, if I go to our website, you'll probably notice that okay, so it does run. Alright, it's running. That's a really good sign. Let's click share. Okay, sharing. We have sharing. And we have a URL. Okay, well, this is pretty unexpected. It just works. So, there you have it. The React refactor works. I don't know. I guess it turns out I didn't need to change anything with the server configuration at all. It just freaking works. And let's try to share a heart. Tell you what, let's start over. Next thing I'm gonna do, if this really works, I'll just disable that. All right, so I think I want to go 12, 12, all this color, this pink color. Yeah, I'm gonna go bigger than 12. Let's go 24. And then what we need down there is a triangle, but probably one that's not as tall. I'd say I tried to make one earlier and it just ended up being too weird. Might even go smaller than that. We'll see. So we will need to rotate it by 180 degrees like that. Yeah, I think that'll work. I think probably just a few more points, and I don't want to go too crazy with it. It's good enough for me. I'm not, like I said, I'm not going to go too crazy with it. All right, let's share it. Okay, I have Twitter, so I'll share it on Twitter. Unfortunately, the only thing that we can do with this is pass in a URL. I'll have to look and see if there's more that we can do, but for now, I like this. Now there is a challenge to overcome here, and that is that the when I share this, it's only going to be a URL, but I want it to look like this, not like that. I want it to have a image that looks like this. Let me delete that one little guy over there. As the little preview image that shows up on Facebook that shows up on Twitter. So it's going to take a little bit of work. I think I have an idea of how we're going to accomplish that, but it's not going to be as simple as just, you know what I mean? For now, I'm going to bootleg it like this. There's a freaking print screen on this keyboard. I got a new keyboard, but there's no print screen. That's crazy. There's got to be. Hold on. I really don't see one. That's crazy. Oh man, this keyboard just lost like 15. I use print screen all the time. Okay, well, gotta figure something out there. Alright. I don't even know what to do. Here, I think, yeah, okay, I know what to do. Alright, so I don't know, is it even gonna print like that? Is it even gonna render as a PDF? Alright, well, I'll figure this out later, I suppose. I know there's a screenshot program that we can use. Here, hold on, let me find that. Green shot, yeah, that's it. Of course, you gotta dodge the ad that says looks like a download link. I accept whatever stupid terms of agreement so that I can get through with this. You're so welcome. All right, give me. Okay, there we go. So capture. There we go. You'll be able to do this. No. Try that again. Yeah, the little hole in my heart there. What are we doing? Capture a region. Copy to clipboard. There we go. Alright, back over to Twitter. Got the screenshot there. I thought I had one. I don't see it anymore. Why is this such a pain, dude? There we go. I win, period, heart, not a second link. There we go. Leave in the little thing. Oh my gosh. Did I lose it again? There we go. Post. Yeah, there we go. I think it looks aight. I'm honestly shocked, you guys. I'm shocked that the React refactor just worked. I spent a lot of time in agony worrying about that, and turns out I was doing too much, I guess. But all right, I'm gonna go now, and I know it was a short stream and filled with technical difficulties, but I'm gonna go now. Hopefully get these networking issues, and when I come back before you, we'll have a much smoother and better looking stream. Alright, peace out, guys. Don't forget to go to britepegs.com, play the game, and don't forget to like the stream and subscribe to Coding Things IRL. Peace.